Hello everyone! Do you know that in the sportswear industry, in fact, we are doing more than $164 billion, for example, in 2023. So how to address this industry, in fact? It's quite complex. You have to create, and design shoes to address the mass market. For athletes, for example, they are using 3D printing technology in order to create something really adapted to their morphologies. But how to adapt that and to transform this approach for the mass market? Today, on the campus of Dassault Systèmes, we are pleased because we have some guests from ASICS company. They will explain a new innovative approach. So let's follow me and we will discover their studio. Hello guys!
Hi!
Kenki!
Hi Edward, nice to meet you in person.
No, it's crazy. You're on the Dassault Systèmes campus with your own studio.
Exactly.
Wow, we are so excited to be here finally.
Yeah, it is really honor to be here with you to introduce our ASICS Personalization studio in Dassault Systèmes campus.
Yeah.
Let's go together and then check inside.
Of course.
Please come in.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so what is the concept of this studio?
We, ASICS, are providing our functional shoes with all athletes as our main business. For example, we have several types of running shoes. Kayano for stability and Nimbus is for cushioning. But we think it's not enough. So in the near future, we are dreaming to provide our personalization product to all consumers.
Yeah, each individuals are having different requirements, and then each consumers have a different shape of the foot. So we would like to provide very unique products to every single consumer. And to provide this, we need new technologies and the new ideas. So that's the reason why we are here. This building is for our new experiences, for example, additive manufacturing and then cutting-edge production technologies, and also monitoring of the execution of manufacturing, plus, very importantly, 3D modeling with new technologies.
Okay. Yeah. And when did you start this kind of dream?
We already work for this project more than 5 years, for sure, with CATIA team.
Okay, guys, so can you show me on screen what are you doing with CATIA?
Yeah, for sure.
For sure.
Let's go.
Cool. Okay, so can you give me some details about the overall process and how you use our solutions in CATIA?
Sure. To achieve the personalization, we have to do the quite different things from mass production. For example, one of the big challenges for us is the automation, because if we would like to make an insole for you, we need to input your foot shape into our system, but we don't want to do manipulate every single times. So we need a very robust and fast with automatic process on the platform. And in addition, we are working together as a team. So we need to collaborate very intuitively and quickly. So that's the reason why we wanted to use 3D experience platform on cloud.
Okay.
Yeah.
So to get this insole, first we begin with capturing your foot shape.
Okay. With a scanner or something like that?
Yeah, to be honest, we developed our own capturing system with mobile phone. Okay. So you can capture everywhere, every time you want. After that, input the foot shape into the CATIA. And first, so we convert the foot shape from the standing, deforming foot shape into the unloading and deformable foot shape.
Yeah, and also insole should be supportive for foot. So we don't want to imitate just foot shape, but we need to make a neutral position of the foot shape. And then we can support shape with deformation in movement.
Even this, we do CATIA
Okay.
using visual scripting, thanks to advanced UI technology. Based on the foot shape, we create the outer shape of the insole. Then we created this each bar using lattice design. Then we put radius setting for each bar in the visual scripting.
Okay.
Then generate the 3D solid shape, insole shape.
Okay. To be 3D printed.
Yeah.
Okay.
After creating 3D model, in this studio, we can do 3D print immediately.
Like, you know, this kind of lattice structure is very sensitive. We need to control this thickness very dedicatedly. So increment of 0.1 millimeter has a big impact for the feeling and the function. So that's the reason why we need to control this with very smooth, dedicated control. Lattice design helps us very, very much for control this lattice bar.
So if I summarize, so with my smartphone, I will scan my my feet. Then you will build this, something like that, as a reference. Then you will generate the surfaces, generate the network of bars, generate the lattice geometry, and go to 3D printing, right? Okay,
Exactly.
cool. And for that, you used CATIA visual scripting.
Yeah, mainly we use CATIA visual scripting.
Yeah, let's take a look.
So you can see this part. This part is, I think, it's easy to understand what we do in CATIA. So let's take this part, for example.
Okay, I see. So here, this is a network of bars.
First, we define the target volume to fill lattice bar. So this part is
The algorithm to
Yeah,
generate. Okay.
basically for the definition of the target volume, Y direction and X direction like that. And after the creating the volume, so we put the lattice bar like this. So to do that, first one we divide this volume like a voxel, and we can divide each part in this example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 for Y direction and 2 for X direction. After that, for each voxel, for each voxel, we put line. We can easily increase the number of voxel, and we can easily change the type of lattice bar.
Okay.
Thanks to the algorithm.
We are actually working on same data as a collaboration, and then we are like using same language. I feel like, this kind of visual scripting is having a very wide freedom for designing. This means not only for design itself, but also the shape of the script itself is also very free. And then we are having very similar language, so it's easy to catch up on the script.
Thanks to visual scripting, we can easily share our mindset, the way to create 3D model. It's very interesting and amazing.
Like you said, it's kind of language, in fact.
Yes.
Universal language.
Yes. And then we can reuse our know-how from previous span to next span. So this is our very, very important asset now.
Okay. So this is CATIA component family.
Yes.
So you are using it to generate then the different models.
Once we created one generate model using visual scripting, that model can create several types of insole automatically using the component family. We want to create the insole list like that. So using these parameters and input this generic model, we can automatically create insole for manufacturing.
It's really impressive.
So by saving the time for manipulation, we can consider next step by using our brain.
Okay.
So this is very important.
So guys, what's the next step of the tour?
I will send this data to 3D printers. So let's see our production room.
Okay.
Okay.
I will follow you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.